Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Trend TV. The new Volkswagen Taycan midsize SUV is likely to be launched by the end of this month, and Volkswagen India have successfully started the media drive event in Rajasthan. They have showcased all variants of the Volkswagen Taycan along with an accessorized version with the Volkswagen Polo wheels. So here are the top 5 highlights of the Volkswagen Taycan midsize SUV. The Volkswagen Taycan is based on the very same MQB A0 India-specific platform, which also underpins the Škoda Kushaq. Apart from the platform, the Taycan and the Kushaq will also be sharing a whole lot of tech and features, including powertrain and transmission options. The first noteworthy point is that the design will be completely different to that seen on the Škoda Kushaq, despite the fact that both these models will share some of their interior parts. In terms of design though, the Volkswagen Taycan looks completely different when you compare with the Škoda Kushaq and features a typical Volkswagen design language. The front design reminds us of the Volkswagen Tiguan and gets a whole lot of chrome detailing on the front grille and some sharp design elements around the fog lamps. Just like the Škoda Kushaq, the Volkswagen Taycan will also feature body cladding all around, and the top spec variants also will feature 17-inch alloy wheels. The front and rear bumpers feature silver finished skid plates, while the silver finished roof rails also add to the SUV character. The rear design though is completely unique for the Volkswagen Taycan, featuring a smoked section running across the width of the car at the center, also including the single bar LED tail lamps, lending the midsize SUV a unique and funky look. The Volkswagen Taycan will get LED headlamps and LED DRLs on the top spec variants. And just like the Kia Seltos, there will also be a GT variant of the Volkswagen Taycan, featuring some red design elements on the exterior and brake calipers, with a slightly different interior treatment. The top spec variants of the Volkswagen Taycan will also get a dual-tone black contrast roof. However, unlike the Hyundai Creta, the Volkswagen Taycan will get a regular size sunroof instead of the panoramic sunroof. The second significant point is that, being based on the same platform as the Škoda Kushaq, the Volkswagen Taycan 2 will be slightly smaller than its rivals such as the Hyundai Creta, the Kia Seltos and the Nissan Kicks. Both the Škoda Kushaq and the Volkswagen Taycan are around 4.2 meters in length, while also having a width of 1.76 meter and a height of 1.6 meter. So even if you don't consider the Tata Harrier or the MG Hector, the Taycan and the Kushaq are slightly smaller than the Kia Seltos, the Hyundai Creta and the Nissan Kicks themselves. However, with a really good wheelbase, the interior space is expected to be pretty good, along with decent level of boot space. The third point is that the Volkswagen Taycan will be more well equipped than the Škoda Kushaq. The interior design language will remain similar to that seen on the concept. While the overall dashboard layout looks almost similar to that seen on the Škoda Kushaq, the Volkswagen Taycan offers slightly more features and slightly different shapes and designs on the dashboard. The central AC vents are exactly the same units seen on the Škoda Kushaq as well and are located right below the 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system. This large 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system will have similar functionalities as seen on the Škoda Kushaq and will also offer Android Auto, Apple CarPlay along with connected car features using the My Volkswagen Connect app. The Volkswagen Taycan, however, will feature a different steering wheel design with steering motor audio controls and cruise control. Other common features seen on the Škoda Kushaq and the Volkswagen Taycan include automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, auto-dimming IRVM, keyless entry with push-button start, auto-fold ORVMs, front and rear armrests, tilt and telescopic adjustable steering wheel, 8-way manually adjustable driver seat, leather upholstery, USB Type-C charging ports for front and rear seats, wireless charging facility, and rear AC vents. However, a unique feature available only on the Volkswagen Taycan is the large virtual cockpit digital instrument cluster, which is likely to be available only on the top spec variants. In terms of safety features too, the Volkswagen Taycan will offer the very same number of safety features as seen on the Škoda Kushaq, with standard safety features including dual airbags, ABS with EBD, remote sensor locking, rear seat adjustable headrests, ISOFIX child seat mounts and rear parking sensors. The top spec variants will also offer side curtain airbags along with ESP traction control with hill hold, a reverse parking camera along with front parking sensors and smart key access with push button start. Just like the Škoda Kushaq, the Volkswagen Taycan will also offer proper 3-point seat belts for the center rear seat passenger. The fourth strong point is a common feature on both the midsize SUVs, as both the Škoda Kushaq and the Volkswagen Taycan will come with the exact same engine and transmission options, including the 1-liter 3-cylinder TSI turbocharged petrol engine producing 115 PS of maximum power and 175 Nm of maximum torque through either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed torque converter automatic gearbox. The second engine option will be the very same 1.5-liter 4-cylinder TSI turbocharged petrol engine seen on the Škoda Karoq and the Volkswagen T-Roc, which produces 150 PS of maximum power and 250 Nm of maximum torque through either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox. The last and final talking point will be the pricing against really strong rivals such as the Hyundai Creta and the Kia Seltos. The Volkswagen Taycan will be priced at a slight premium over the Skoda Kushaq. However, all variants will be well equipped, with even the entry-level models offering quite a lot of standard features. The 1-litre TSI petrol engine equipped variants will significantly undercut most of the rivals' variants, despite not compromising on the value for money factor. So these are all the top 5 facts of the Volkswagen Taycan midsize SUV, which is expected to be launched later this year. Stay tuned for our detailed updates on the Volkswagen Taycan and the Skoda Kushaq midsize SUVs. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.